So what happened to Mongo? Mongo's had a big comeback since they blew up in the summer. And so they finally had 2 good quarters. They had this good quarter, and they had this good quarter, but the stock's already recovered a lot, so I don't know. Let's update Mongo. Let's update Mongo and Oracle. Figure out what the hell's going on over here, okay? We're gonna get to the bottom of this. That was some NYPD detective. All right, I'm gonna get to the bottom of this here. Shout out to the detectives. Mongo might be a buy. We'll look. %, year over year. It's amazing. They were not doing that well for a while. Things were looking a little ugly for them. Happy it's turning around. I'm a happy customer of Mongo. It's not my CTO's favorite. He likes Postgres. Postgres enjoyer. Quantum computing may change trading, yeah. A little bit. Nothing crazy. Oy, oy, oy. Wall Street bets. Postgres isn't as widely adopted as Mongo. Are you nuts? 2 very different databases. You know, NoSQL isn't exactly a hit that shit, bro. You guys are degenerates. Postgres not good for big data. What? The hell are you talking about? Practice? Motherfuckers at the database conferences talking about Mongo ain't this, Mongo ain't that. Shut the fuck up. I get another one talking about a NoSQL database like this. I'm gonna beat their ass. Document store. I've had these documents for I don't even know when, since Epoch 0. We got a Cassandra enjoyer. Any MySQL enjoyers? Cockroach enjoyers? We use this thing called ClickHouse. We got Spring Boot, ClickHouse, Rising Wave, Kotlin. We got some Python in there. Talk sweet on Mongo. In the pharma shop talking about. All right, guys. Not everyone is into the black culture like we are. We do it for the culture. Lamron on them. Puff never had good music. Puff Daddy. Yeah, 22% growth is pretty impressive. This is all Atlas. What's my yearly rate of return? Depends on the year, I guess. Bozo. Who's the competition for Mongo? How many NoSQL databases are there? Or I guess Amazon's fielding something. Is that what you mean? I don't think people... I mean, they use AWS. Mongo. I thought I like Mongo for prototyping. Then my CTO boss says, Martin, what the fuck is this? I'm sorry, boss. See, the real secret is I'm just a wagey. Just a wagey and a cagey. Sweating and raging. Okay, thank you for that. We change it. It's a relationship DB. It's where I list all the hoes. There's Maria DB. I know, I need this DJT to go to 33, man. I'm finna bust. NoSQL is still here. We need document store. We got vector DBs too. We stand a good document store. In this house, number go up. We know this. We know the story of when Oracle bought MySQL. We know this. Come on. Stop loss. Stop loss? Who said something about a loss? Loss? Who trades to lose? Loss? Yeah, the guidance isn't so great. I see why maybe they're a little bearish. Although it looks like historically, for whatever reason, I guess it's not a complicated thing. Why do I have this here? This should be... Oh, Palantir's roaring back a little. Let's go. that. Why would anyone use Mongo database store? Why don't you use a Bloomberg terminal? Well, what if I told you I did? And what if I told you I was also banned from Bloomberg? And what if I told you that I had a startup that was making something similar to a Bloomberg terminal, which appears before your very eyes as the Godel terminal? Yeah, who are their biggest customers? Yeah, today was a rough morning, man. You can get banned from Bloomberg, yes. I should frame the Thank you. No analyst reports. So you mean sell side? People slandering me? Who, me? People mad at me when they should be mad at their biotech company, man. Come on, Ming. I use Windows, I use Apple, I use Linux. Come on, guys. It's not a OS war. I use Mongo, I use Postgres. Galaxy Gas. I like Teledoc. What's NNOX? I don't even know what the fuck that is. The fuck is wrong with these people? That's what I'm saying, man. Alright, so they guided to 493, 497, and they hit 530, which is pretty big. So I don't see what was wrong with that, but I want to check the valuation. Palantir 77? No, that's my average. Dog shit fucking thing. For anybody who's trying to figure out what the problem I have with Palantir is, I bought it yesterday and it has not cooperated. We stand Terry Davison here. Holy C. Write that algorithm in Holy C. Well, OTs, I will say that is a very effective sales tool. Steve Ballmer. Many CEOs spend most of their time selling. I'm no different. Developers, 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 developers. Woo! That's what the galaxy gas is here for. Galaxy gas. Bitches. I'm crazier than Steve Ballmer. Fuck out of here. I don't color code. This was a one-off. Suck my dick, celebrity inspector. Do whatever the fuck I want to do. How about that? Somebody time this man out. Palantir is half government, half not government. It's actually not that expensive. Good job, Nettie. Good for you, man. I don't compare my purchases to yours. AVXL pumping, wasn't it just 9? But L chat's fine, just maybe refresh. I don't know if Check is gonna get bought out. I would no longer buy it. It's kind of Palantir's weird. No, Matt, I don't remember you. Palantir's weird. Half of it is government. But yeah, it is a little suspicious. You don't hear a lot about people using it or people with a lot of experience with it. Half the revenue, yeah. Time to hit that shit, my guy. I don't know, Matt. It doesn't sound like you've really come up with any evidence. You've never messaged me. So I think it's time for you to lick my balls. Nah, this is a full canister, man. It's a full tank. I'm exactly as famous as I want to be. No more, no less. No, quantum computing will not make Bitcoin worthless. All right, let's get back to Mongo, you freaks. Some alopecia drugs will be very profitable, but there's a lot of them, like JAK inhibitors. Never taken finasteride. I do, Kuro. I do. It helps a huge amount. It's a huge difference. Like looking at Elasticsearch or any of these other companies, it makes a gigantic difference. I actually know the products really well. I gotta say, it's a huge help. Like any hedge fund analyst should just do a little programming just for fun. Any hedge fund analyst that follows software. I don't think ETH is going to gain popularity, but it looks like Vitalik's still spending time on it, which is good. Highly regarded. Excuse me, I'm a highly regarded individual. Will today be the day DJT finally cracks? Intel tanking. 2%. Hit that shit. I don't really have a great thesis other than, I mean, maybe like just the notebook business or the server business. x86 isn't really going anywhere. They can scale to still be very profitable. They have to scale down their cost structure. Yeah, Intel's a shit company. There's no doubt about that. They need a real person in there to turn around. Yeah, if you look at IBM some years ago, IBM also had sort of a crisis of confidence, and now it's 52-week highs. Buffett bought IBM just cause, and he sold it. He didn't like it after a while, and then it rallied. Matt, that wasn't the deal. You're changing the deal. You said you came with a reference. A highly regarded individual would back you up, but now you're changing your tune. That's disrespect. Yeah, I think that's the consensus, Miss Love. I don't know. Things change. IBM spun out that business. I am short CADL, small amount. Yeah, I like Andrew a lot. Great company. Palmer said he was releasing something today. What'd they say? I know what Bobst does, or Bobst, depending on how you pronounce it. Elmer Holmes. Nobody calls it Elmer Holmes. Bobst, by the way. They just write Bobst. They didn't make their announcement yet. Oh, they did? Where's the announcement? Oh, did Sailor buy more Bitcoin? Dang, this guy's buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin. It's still going down? Dang. Damn, that's bearish. God dang it, that's bearish. There's some bearish shit right there. Anduril. Still haven't seen the Anduril announcement. Maybe Palmer was joking that they would need people to signal boost it. Matt, why'd you lie to me in the original message? Palantir 75. Let's go. The calls are back in play. Wifey may be able to get a wedding after all. Palantir's a hot stock. People need a way to play AI, and there's this pervasive feeling that it's some way to play AI. Intel is like a value play, value trap type situation. I like it. I'm gonna have fun learning the semiconductor industry. I don't know it too well. Next big software play? Well, damned if I know. I'm looking. I'm not looking that hard. I got my own company to run. I want to look harder, but my time is hard to be the best CEO and the best analyst all at once. It's rather difficult. Yeah, I gotta look at the lithography companies, gotta look at a lot of shit. It is so cold in here, I always forget to bring the fucking sweater. Yes, Alex. Only the users that signed up in the first year, though. Let's go, Logonomics. Monero. Criminal coin. For all kinds of crime. I'll be right back. What? I don't know. It'll help. I don't know if it's gonna help because it's 73 out there, but it's like fucking 65 in here. Fuck it, we'll do it live. Fuck it. Yeah, to turn it up one more, maybe it'll help. Probably doesn't help that I'm drinking iced coffee either. All right, we on? We on? All right, how do I look? Camera guy. Yeah. If there's an H&M nearby,
yeah.
I can. You can just steal a sweater. I mean, they're not gonna stop you, right?
Sure.
Where's the?
I got ski mask and shit.
Yeah, get the glizzy and get the shiesty. I got that right.
Yeah.
No, if there is there an H&M nearby?
There's like an Urban Outfitters right across the street.
Okay, let me get a. One sec. I don't even know if I brought my wallet with me. No. I'll wait for. Oh, I did. Yeah. Just use my coat just in case.
Yeah, just for the record, what kind of sweater?
I don't really care.
Just the one.
You're the stylish one. Just. Yeah.
I think your security detail are coming in soon. So.
Good. Need that. Lamron in them. I'm pretty sure I already imagined that one. I'm long Palantir. Piece of dog poo poo. Piece of dog poo poo caca. Yeah, you should say, what stock are you going long? Or what are you long? When you say on, it tells me you're brand new to this instead of true to this. I hear that. That's all I need to know. I shut you off. Click, done. Bye. Come back in 2 years when you know your lingo. What are you long on? I haven't followed CMRX. What's going on with that one? Am I? MongoDB. You fired. Some people say I'm the greatest man who ever lived. That is correct. Next to maybe Lincoln and the greatest president as well. And the least racist. Yeah, it does feel like the FDA is clearing a path to approval. it's repriced a little bit, but I guess you're thinking. What are you thinking? $5, $10? China. Wow, what an apartment. Make sure you subscribe to Godel, and I've given you guys a bunch of next Savas, J. Kim. Gave you a bunch of new ones. But you ain't trying to hear me though. You're not trying to pay $60. I'm gonna come. No, it's not VKTX. I like VKTX, I just don't think it's a home run. Home run. Yes, J. Kim. If you join Godel, I work for you. Okay? You can boss me around. One guy on Godel was like, "Get to it quickly, stock boy." I was like, "Yes, sir." That's it. Put money in my pocket. Yes, sir. That's what I do. I'm not friend requesting anyone on Discord. That is a scammer. Yes, Matt, I would. I'd give you $5,000 too. All those features should be available for BG. Let me see what's wrong with BG. Huh. BG might have something special wrong with it. That is a little bizarre. BG is a Fortune 500, right? Bungie is weird because it has like a... we'll look into this. It might be a data provider issue. That's very bizarre and scary. I'm dressed up because I'm cold. Yes, Gold. On Godel, you can talk to me all day, and I give short ideas. I have many just like Sava. Godel is $60 a month. Make sure you subscribe. Requests is for stock requests. But I'm looking at Mongo right now. I wish I had time to look at every single stock for every person. So it's like a fractional ownership of me. Normally I might charge $1 million a year or something like that. So you get a very small piece. But I'm always happy to give a quick read. I just, I hate giving quick reads if I don't know a stock. Like, you're better off not being lied to. Like, there's some people, and again, I'm not naming names, but there's some famous financial commentators who they just feel like they have to give you an answer. And I just don't. I can't do that. If I don't know it, I don't know it. I say I don't know it, and that's it. That's the way I was taught, I sell my body like a street worker. Yes. Correct. And so do you, but I sell mine to make $1 billion company. You sell yours for God knows what. We all sell ourselves, okay? Sava cake was good, actually. Yeah, people for some reason feel like they do need a strong opinion about everything. It's a little silly. What can you do? Popcade Dodge, got it. Yeah, we have an issue with NBIS. I know Lemonade. I don't have an opinion on Teva. You guys are coming at me like Kramer's lightning round. I can't handle this shit. Let me focus on Mongo, man. One thing at a time. You want to look at SoundHound again? Okay, maybe in a minute. Yeah, Mongo might be cheap, boys. Mongo may be cheap. I don't really have an opinion on AMD. I'm looking at Intel, so I'll have to sort of study AMD as a result, but I don't really have an opinion. Yeah, everyone should unsubscribe to Wall Street Bets. It's not going to do you any good. Nobody there has their head screwed on tight. And I'm banned from it, so you should unsubscribe as a protest. Let's fuck their shit up. Excited? I don't get excited, man. I just get money. Huh. Put me in the booth. That was fire. That was facts. See, chat went crazy when I said that, right? Chat went crazy. That was real talk. It's just stupid people. I mean, there's not really much more else to it. I know Baron already, dude. I don't know if you understand this. Are you retarded? I mean, if you have no other resources, I guess Wall Street Bets is better than nothing, but it probably is just gonna lose you money. I didn't meet Trump. Thanks, man. Yeah, don't forget my cards in here. All right. Thanks. You can post it if you want. All right, I got a Zara, much fancier than I expected. Man, this shit was hella expensive. And this man spent a small fortune on this shit.
You can return it.
Ah, it's fine. It's perfect. As long as I have my sweater and my Galaxy gas, I'm good. GG's, twin. Just ignore it. Lose money, LOOSE. All right, we're going to look at the cash flow statement. I don't know if you monkeys know what that is. I buy stock go up. Me trader monkey. Monkeys have to have jobs too. The nice thing about learning finance is worst case scenario, if you don't make it as a trader, you can always go in corporate finance or private equity or something. Private equity is like Winnie the Pooh with the Winnie the Pooh meme. I really like this actually. This is trading private equity. And then there's one with the 3. This is the triple. Hey, bro.
Yes, sir.
Anybody fuck with SpongeBob? I do sales. I'm the main salesperson for Godot. Can I interest you in an advanced financial terminal? AI features coming soon. Yep, we're gonna set up a sales team.
Morning.
Yo.
What's up?
Squad is here, bodyguards. They're not letting Luigi anywhere near me. Taking the bullet for me. Somebody's shooting, they getting shot with me. If I'm getting shot, they getting shot with me. If I'm canceling Netflix, they canceling Netflix with me. Hey, I'm not incriminating myself. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, I don't know. Gotta get a couple brokers, Jinzo. Spread them around. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you. That kid is strange. I don't think that's a big deal, Juicy J, given their growth rate. Listen, man, your job is to get money. Stop complaining. That guy was doing a lot of complaining. He didn't want fucking hard life. It's just a fucking faux academic dilettante. Type of guy to work 6 hours a day. Couldn't hack it. Did you see his code? His code was fucking terrible. I'd code like that, I'd kill myself. favorite stocks to short change every day. Come on. Okay. There we go. Exactly, Jonathan. The guy was never even denied anything. Fucking human wasteland. Thinking he's some kind of philosopher. Oh, fuck out of here. Write some code, bitch. This guy's gonna realize how good he had it after about 10 minutes in prison. Oh, I fucked up. I killed a guy I didn't even fucking know. Oh shit. That was stupid. Man, at least go after one of your enemies or some shit. Mongo's sort of fairly valued. Tad bit cheap, but I wouldn't spring for it just yet.